Starting a new project while you already have one running is a recipe for disaster. This looks exactly like that. At first glance, it's just another VW, nothing special. A Citi Golf 1.4i that has seen better days. But that's not why I'm here. When I went to pick up this car, I already knew something most people wouldn't. This wasn't about fixing it, cleaning it, or bringing it back to life. This car had one job.
Iyavuga. Oror ven un pizza tsamaya yona la mafelo.
I will be doing this for the first time and without the proper tools, just basic ones and a small budget. This is where the rebuild changes direction. Now, most people would look at this and just see dust, but I see something completely different. This is a AGY 1.4i, and under all this dirt, it's actually a healthy engine. Everything is covered in dust, but if you look closer, the components are still in really good condition. Some of the parts inside of the engine bay will be left, things like the water bottle that will stay in here and the washer bottle that will stay. But the important parts, those are coming with me. The wiring, the fuse box, and everything else that I need to make this run. No major damage to critical parts. This engine just needs a proper clean, a full service, and it's ready to go. In fact, I will be driving this to Cape Town after installing it into my Fox. By the way, I'm in Pretoria, so that will be a plus minus 1,500 kilometer drive. The best part about all this is that this is almost a plug and play setup. Once the engine is in, the car should be able to take me anywhere where I need it to, and we will put it to the test.